Now that you've changed some of the font and some of the formatting of your document, let's add a few things. So you can add shapes to your documents by going to Insert. In this drop down underneath Illustrations, it says Shapes, and there's a drop down. There's lots of different pictures you can put in here. These are not photos or online digitals, but they're just shapes and arrows and different things like that. So this, because of what this short story is about, I'm just going to click on lightning bolt, and when you click on it, it'll give you this X so that you can draw whatever size, shape, whatever you'd like to do. So I'm just going to put a little lightning bolt in the corner. Then I'm going to insert a heading. If I go back to insert and I go over here to header and go to the drop down, I'm going to add a blank heading. So I might say, I might call this the feud. Now I want my title to be centered, so just like I did with my words here, I go back to home and I change and I go to center here, and I'm going to change my font. Oh, I have to highlight it first to change my font, and then I want to make it bigger. Now every page of my document will have this header on it when I get more than one page. So now I have a header for every page that's called the feud. And I changed that, the font, by highlighting it and going to home, changing the font and the size, and I centered it by going right here under paragraph. You can center, I could put it to the left, I could put it to the right, and I put it right in the middle. I could also center my text down here if I chose to. I would highlight it all and go center, and that would put it all to the center. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go back to left justify, and then I'm going to insert a tab there so that that is indented. Line spacing is when you want to change how much space is between your lines, and when you're typing something that someone might go through and edit, it's kind of nice to put some space in there. So right here under paragraph, there's your line editing. I'm sorry, line spacing, and as you can see, that made it double spaced. You'll also see that my header went to the next page as well.